Hi guys, it's DK388. Today's video we're going to be upgrading and swapping out the lock onto the garage door. Upgrade it a bit to something a bit more high specification in terms of security and rating. But before we need to do that, we need to find out what size of lock it is. So open the garage, and behind the sort of lock body we need to remove this retaining screw with a crosshead screwdriver. And once we remove the screw, that releases the cylinder lock. But before we can push it or pull it out, we need to close the door and insert the key and give it a quarter turn, just to make sure the cam is tucked behind the cylinder and it can be fully removed from the keyway, as you can see here. And now we can measure the lock itself and find out what type of dimensions they are. So you can see here it's overall 40mm from front to back, and the back to the centre of the retaining screw is 10mm, and then from the centre of the screw to the front will be 30mm. I'll leave a diagram which explains it better. So A, B and C dimensions are on the screen, is what we're after. So now we know that, we can reinstate the lock. Don't forget to do the quarter turn so the keyway and the cam are aligned. As you can see, with the key in the normal position, the cam's stuck out, so we just need to give it a small turn, slot it back in, and then we can reinstall the retaining screw so the garage is secured as well. And I'll just nip this up, the screw, just reversing the process really. And once that's done, we can start to source our Euro cylinder lock. So I thought I'd try this online store, which is fairly local to me, and it seems to have a lot of good reviews. So I'm using their filtering system, using a half cylinder Euro lock, and it's the 30mm front to the centre of the screw hole, and there's only one option, but it seems to be a very good option, which ticks all the boxes for me. It's got good reviews. It's a 3-star rating by British standards, and it's got high security keys, and it's secure by design. And again, that's the sort of ABC dimensions you need, just to double check. Again, just looking at the security and ratings, it ticks all the boxes I'm after. So I'll purchase this. It wasn't not a sponsored video. And after 3 days, it's all come in the post. So let's get this open. And that's the sort of cylinder lock in question. Just by feeling it, it's much more premium lock, higher security. It's got different types of materials. I think it's a brass core, and it comes with 3 keys as standard and a longer retaining screw, and a set of instructions as well. So as before, I'll remove the old screw and remove the old Euro lock, and just do a bit of a comparison here, just between the old and the new. You can just see the difference of the new security features that this has, like the anti-snapping as well. It's also got a different material core, brass core. It's like there's your anti-snap, and sort of security pins and anti-drill pins and all that. So yeah, now just reverse the process. Don't forget as well, this one we need to do a quarter turn to make sure the cam's in line with the keyway, and once that's in, we can just give it a turn to hold it in place. And then something I noticed as well, the old retaining screw isn't really that long. It barely held the lock in, barely even penetrated the whole cylinder lock, maybe 3/4 or half in. And then this is the screw that came with the lock. As you can see, it's probably too long in this case, but it does hold the cylinder lock in place fully. So I'm holding the camera at this with one hand, but I'm just pushing the back of the lock just to make sure it's centered with the screw hole. As you can see, this screw is probably about 10mm too long, but it's poking out a bit, but it's well secure. Now we can just try it out, just give it a couple of turns, make sure it locks and operates well. You can see slight protrusion, but no different from the original lock. because it's a shorter barrel lock, the key's a bit longer so it sticks out. So other than that, happy days. Thank you for watching.